Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Brawl Stars theme on piano. Begin by finding middle C on your keyboard. The first melody note is an E, 3 white keys above middle C. Play E, then C, followed by E, G, F, and finally D. These notes form the memorable opening phrase, instantly setting a lively and energetic mood. Focus on a steady rhythm, giving each note roughly one beat to capture the distinct feel of the game's music. Practice this short sequence until it flows smoothly and feels natural under your fingers. Let's expand the right-hand melody to the next memorable section. After the initial phrase, transition smoothly to C, then E, then back to C, followed by G, F, and finally a lower B-flat. This B-flat introduces a brief, subtle shift in the musical feeling, adding depth to the theme. Ensure your fingers move fluidly between these notes, maintaining the crisp, staccato quality characteristic of the piece. Listen carefully to the original theme to internalize the correct timing and phrasing for this part. Now, let's add the left-hand foundation with simple, effective chords. For the first phrase, your left hand will play a C major chord, consisting of C, E, and G. As the melody progresses, transition to a G major chord, made of G, B, and D. Play these chords lightly, typically on the first beat of each new melodic phrase, to support the right-hand tune. Focus on a consistent, gentle touch, ensuring the chords provide harmony without overpowering the melody. Bringing both hands together requires patience and focused practice. Start by playing the entire theme at a very slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute, to ensure each hand is synchronized. Play the left-hand chord simultaneously with the first note of its corresponding melodic phrase in the right hand. Increase your tempo in small increments, perhaps 5 beats per minute at a time, only when you feel completely comfortable. This methodical approach will build muscle memory and improve your overall coordination significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.